Hey, I'm Ryan Hendricks, and I'm the owner here of Finishing Touch Auto, or FTA Styling, and we actually did a ceramic coating and paint protection film on this Tesla Model S here. Now, a lot of people ask what the difference between paint protection film is and ceramic coating is, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about that. Now, paint protection film is a film that's 8 mil thick that we apply generally to the front end of the vehicle in any high impact areas. That protects against rock chips, deep scratches, and any other kind of impacts and stuff. On this Tesla here, we wrapped the full hood, full fenders, bumper, headlights, mirrors, the pillars here, the rockers down here, front impact here, rear impact here, and really just covered all those major impact areas with this film. You can see if you get really close here, we've got a little edge where we've got the seam of the film. It comes across right here, and then I guess if you look back here, you'd be able to see another seam right along this body line here. So almost invisible this film is. It's really cool stuff. You can, if you have any kind of damage or anything, you can peel it right off and reapply new film, and is really just a great barrier to impacts and damage. Now, the ceramic coating that we applied to the rest of the car, all of the painted surfaces, that is a ceramic product that is very hard and very durable, but isn't quite as thick as paint protection film. It's something that is more like a wax that's going to protect your car from the sun's rays and protect against light abrasions. So you're washing, you'll induce a lot less marring or wash swirls, and when you're washing the car, it's going to clean up a lot easier. When we apply the ceramic coating, it actually makes a chemical bond with the paint and creates almost a permanent level of protection versus a wax that may last only a few months. The other thing with the ceramic coating is it's going to have chemical resistance that's much better than a wax. If you use bug removers or degreasers or any kind of aggressive chemical, it's going to strip the wax right off a car, where the ceramic coating is going to stay behind and continue to protect the vehicle. So the number one thing that people notice when they get their car ceramic coated is a level of gloss that's unlike a wax or a regular detail, and that lasts years and years rather than just a couple weeks like a wax. The other thing is it's super slick, and you're going to want to touch it a lot. Still going to recommend against that, especially for the first 30 days while it's still curing. The coatings are very sensitive during that time, but after the 30 days, it's going to be a very durable level of protection for your vehicle. So if you guys have any questions further about paint protection film and ceramic coating, give me a call or hop on our website and shoot us a message. The website is ftadetailing.com, and our phone number is 503-767-3007. The other thing you can do is just stop by our shop here in Stayton, Oregon. The address is 1840 Pacific Court. So thanks for watching the video. Feel free to give us a call.